Hello everyone and welcome back to HTML Adventures. In our last episode, we talked about how to make a simple web page. Today, we're going to make a simple one, but a moving text. So first, you put greater than, marquee class, quotation mark, marquee, quotation mark, scroll amount, equal, quotation mark, 10, quotation mark, enter direction, quotation mark, right, quotation mark, behavior, equal, quotation mark, scroll, quotation mark, loop, quotation mark, 3, quotation mark, enter, scroll delay, equal, quotation mark, 100, quotation mark, less than, enter, and you put text anything you want. For example, hello world, enter, greater than, slash, marquee, less than, enter, greater than, slash, body, less than, enter, greater than, slash, HTML, less than, and that's how you make a simple moving text, HTML. Also, we can make the text change color and the background, but we'll talk about that next episode. For now, keep practicing this one. That's all. See you next time for more HTML adventures.